Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to do a voice changer called Voice Plus. If you don't already have this, download it. It's a really cool app. This video isn't sponsored, but yeah, on Voice Plus, you can change, it's a voice changer, so basically you can have some fun with this. So basically what you first come up with is this thing, I think you. So you record a video like, say yes. Say yes. And if you guys knew, actually say yes backwards sounds the same as say yes backwards. Okay, so what you want to do when you're done recording that is you want to hold down on the person in the center. And then you'll come up with a bunch of things you can change it into. Like, you can have fun with this, like the slowest, slower, dark one, exterminator, all sorts of ones you can see here, guys. So what you want to do is you want to go press on. Well, you want to choose one, but for today I'm going to do backwards. And then you press play. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. You guys can hear that it sounds like the same. So guys, that's pretty much how you use it. It's pretty easy. And then when you're done with that and you want to change it again, just hold down on the thing in the middle, and then it'll come out of it. And guys, you actually have to wait till it's over. You can't just do it in the middle of it saying it. So, guys, that will be the end of the video. So, bye-bye, guys.